Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Yamaha XSR700. So it's 2016 on a 16 plate with just 4,117 miles and it is an absolute lovely bit of kit this. Loads of extras on it, it's finished in that gorgeous metallic green. Particular one has got that Evotech headlight cover, you've got the gaiters. It can also be restricted down to an A2 license, so this bike is suitable for absolutely everybody. Got the tail tidy on there. You've got that tech exhaust system, billet levers, sequential indicators. Obviously, you've got that really nice retro-looking digital display. We've got absolutely everything you need on there. Bar end mirrors, just absolutely everything. It has been properly tricked out, this one. Lovely bike. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call, and we'll get you out on something new. Thank you very much.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.